Alright, let's get your car's headlights shining exactly where they should. If you've ever driven at night and felt like your headlights just aren't cutting it, or worse, blinding oncoming drivers, don't worry. Adjusting them is easier than you think. First, park your car on a flat surface about 10 to 15 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and your car isn't weighed down in the trunk. Turn on your headlights, you'll see two beams shining on the wall. Those are your targets. Now, pop the hood look for the headlight adjustment screws. Usually there are two, one for up and down, one for side to side. You might need a Phillips screwdriver or an Allen key depending on your car. Look at the beams on the wall. The top of the light should hit just below the height of your headlight bulbs. The brightest part should be a little to the right of center for right-hand drive. Turn the screws slowly. Small changes make a big difference. Check both headlights separately. Check the left headlight. Check the right headlight. Make sure they line up evenly. Once you're happy with the aim, close the hood. Take a short spin to see how it looks on the road. If it still feels off, repeat the process until it's perfect. And that's it. Adjusting your headlights can make night driving safer and way less stressful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips.